Here's a quick and simple guide on how to check your PayPal account limits in 2025. First, go to paypal.com and log in using your email and password. You may be asked to enter a verification code. Type it in to continue. Once you're logged in, click the Help button at the top or bottom of the page. This will open PayPal's Help Center. In the Help Center, use the search bar and type View Limits. This will show PayPal's official information about your sending and receiving limits. With PayPal's new interface, account limits are no longer shown directly in your profile. If your account is verified, PayPal usually allows up to $10,000 in a single transaction, and sometimes up to $60,000, depending on the currency. If your account is not verified, PayPal states, you can send a one-time payment of up to $4,000. There will be a limit on the total amount you can send. Your exact limit will only appear when you try to send money. On the Send Payment screen, PayPal will show a message with your remaining sending limit if your account is not fully verified. To remove or increase these limits, PayPal may ask you to verify your identity, confirm your email, or link a bank account or card. And that's it. That's how to check and understand your PayPal account limits with the new 2025 layout.